Namaskar, welcome to Traditional Fitness Universe. Here you can learn yoga from scratch, that is from the beginning. The first and foremost thing that I will be teaching is Pawanmuktasana series. Pavan refers to air. Mukt means to get rid of, to be freed. The practice tells us that to be get rid of air, unnecessary air, that is vata. You must learn that there are 72,000 nadis in our body, where exactly there are over 72,000 nadis in our body. These nadis carries prana, which is also called as chi energy, vital force. If there is a block in this passage, in this nadis, the vital force will not reach the vital organs or the cells. If the prana does not reach the vital organs or cells, that cell or organ will get diseased, will no longer work properly. This Pawanmuktasana series relieves that prana blockage and helps maintain free flow of prana inside our body. This is the basic practice that one must do starting to do all the advanced series. If one does breathing exercises or advanced asanas without having capacity to do this Pawanmuktasana series, there will be injury. So first practice is Pawanmuktasana. It has 5 major benefits to it. The first thing is it relieves all the pain in our body. Fibromyalgic pain, any pain, it will relieve it, as it corrects the vata element in our body. Then the second thing is, this Pawanmuktasana series is the preparatory series for going to advanced series of asanas. So this is the beginner practice. One must do it properly, one must conquer it, one must perfect it to do next series of asanas. The third thing is that one who practices Pawanmuktasana series regularly, I tell you that Pawanmuktasana is different, Pawanmuktasana series is different. If one practices this Pawanmuktasana series regularly, then in his or her lifetime there will be no restriction in range of movement of any joint. Pawanmuktasana series cures any disease. It enhances the body-mind connection, which is very much required for advanced asanas like balancing asanas and meditation practices. So let us go to practical series of Pawanmuktasana. Thank you. Namaskar.